Hello YouTube. Today we will take a look at how to prep a new motorcycle battery if you have bought it from the dealer or any other shop. It is a very easy process and there's a few steps you need to take care of. And let's get to it right away. So I ordered my battery online. It is a UASA battery and it is an AGM battery, supposed to have a longer life. And this one is 275 cranking amps, right? If you take a look at it here, you will see the rating is 12 volts and it is rated at 18 amp hours. When the battery arrives, it will arrive in a packet like this and it has to be stood up. So the box that it comes in shows you, if you take a look at it here, this is the side up. So the reason for that is because it also contains the electrolyte for the battery, which you need to empty into the battery case, which I'll show you. I have already done this process, by the way. I'm just going over it, how I did it. And this needs to be stood up, right? That's the reason this is showing you the up arrow. Now, when the battery comes, take it out and make it stand on a level surface like so. Be sure you're wearing protective gloves and also eyeglasses or eye cover, as if there's spillage, it may affect you. When this comes in, you will have a tape or a foil cover like this wrapped up on top. What you need to do is peel this thing out, and this one right now I have put the cover on it. This one will have holes on it, right? And this one had 6 holes. What you need to do then is take the electrolyte, and this black cover here, you see this tape kind of a cover, it would be on top of this electrolyte casing here. So you need to remove that from this one. It would still be sealed because you can see these aluminum foilings here. So there's no chance of this guy leaking out. Then you take it like that, hold it exactly on top of the holes and gently push it in until all of these small guys over here, they fit into the holes provided. Do not rush or do not shake. Just do it ever so very gently so that they snugly go in and fit. It will take a little time for the electrolyte to drain into the battery. Now you may see bubbles or so coming up. That is all right, because what is happening is the air inside the battery is rising up and is being filled in with the liquid or the electrolyte from this plastic casing, right? Now it may take some time. Sometimes it may take like 10-15 minutes or so. Be patient. Do not rock it. If at one point you feel that the water or the electrolyte is stuck, you can gently tap it on this tubes here, or you can also tap it on your battery, right? Once that is done, you can pull this off like that, and then attach this cover, which is this black strip you see here, which says "Do not open." It will come and sit on top of it and slowly push it in so that each one of those holes is covered and sealed with this black plastic tape. Once that is done, your battery is ready. Now, depending on the amperage of your battery, you need to set it down for some time so that the solution interacts with the lead plates or whatever it is there inside, and it gets ready, right? That's how you will get your power from the battery. For me, because this was a high amperage, 18 amp hours, I made it sit for approximately 2 hours. After that, what I did was I took a voltmeter like so, and then you measure the voltage on your battery terminals. The way you do it is very simple. The red plug, it goes in here, the black one goes in here into the black, and then you take the red, you put it on the red terminal here, which is positive, and then the black one is on the negative. So hold it there, and it should give you a good reading, anywhere between 12.7 or even maybe 12.6 volts. Now, do note that the battery is not yet ready. You would need to charge it up. And what I did then is I have a charger for this battery. This one, right? Same process. You attach the red one on the positive terminal, the black one on the negative terminal. This one is an SAE connector, but I have an adapter for that. This one happens to be a 1 ampere adapter. So this goes into your wall socket, and then the other end of it goes into this SAE connector. Once that is done, this will start flashing, and then it'll become red, a solid red. It means that it's charging. Once it's charged, it will become green. Your charger or your adapter may be different, but you can follow the code over there. Once that is done, you can safely disconnect your cables from these terminals. You can go and measure the voltage on the terminals. For me, it came out to a healthy 13.3 volts. Again, your battery may differ, so you may get a different voltage reading, but I guess if it's over 12.9 or something like that, you should be good. And then the next part is very simple. You just need to install this, for which we will shoot a separate video. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Ride safe.